Welcome back to Absolutegh. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to help me grow this channel. Like I posted earlier, I wanted to get a name for this hairstyle, and I got so many names. Thank you all those who gave their contributions. But I'm naming this hairstyle triple twist. The reason I'm giving it this name is because you twist two different twists, and then you retwist the two twists. I don't know whether I'm making any sense out of this. So let's watch it how I did it. First of all, you start by braiding zip from the bottom of the hair. The reason why we are doing this is because we don't want fly away hairs around the braid. That's why we are using the zip for a start. So as I'm showing in the video, if you don't know how to do the zip, I've done the tutorial on my channel. You can click on it and learn how to do the twist, the zip. And I've also done a tutorial on how to do Senegalese twist or twist. So if you don't know how to do that one too, you can check that one out from my channel. That one too, the tutorial is there. Braiding this hair is like braiding three-person's hair because it's 3-in-1 hairstyle, and it takes a lot of time. So when you are done with the zip, you tie it, and then you separate the zip hair as I'm showing in the video. So as you can see, I tied the zip and I separated the hair, and I'm twisting one side of the hair. After that, I will twist the other side of the hair. So as we are watching from the video, please like, share, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Please share this video for me and the hairdressers too. I know you have names for hairstyles. I want you to give it a name and give me tag me when you try this hairstyle. So when you are done with twisting both ends of the head, you retwist the two twists. Here you can achieve it by retwisting in the different direction. For instance, if you are a right-handed person and you twist it to the right, this time you have to retwist it to the left. And if you are a left-handed person and you twist to the left, this time you have to retwist it to the right. It's in opposite direction. This is how you can achieve this style. After you are done with the retwisting, then you trim the flyaway hair from the hair so that there wouldn't be any flyaways around it. So you use your scissors to cut the short hairs around it. This hairstyle is kind of stiff, and it can last longer than the normal Senegalese twist or the normal twist that we know. That's why I prefer this style better. You can maintain it for up to 3 months, 4 months, 2 months, as long as you can leave it on your hair. I wanted the tip to be curled, so I used rollers to do the curling and dipped it in hot water. Then after I removed it, and please, I'm not a hairdresser, so please pardon my mistakes. If I've made mistakes anywhere, suggestions are welcome and corrections are also welcome. Thank you all for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. There are so many things up my sleeves. So please subscribe. I need your subscription, please. Bye bye.